Yes, children, welcome to the English class. So we are going to see the Telangana, the pride of the people. Pride means what? Yes, very famous. Okay, so Telangana, the pride of the people. So pride and Garvakaranam. So look at the following and discuss the questions that follow. So here I will show some pictures there. So what is this picture? It represents what? And what is this picture? And what is this picture? Yes, we are going to see this. We know this about Charminar. Okay, Quli Qutub Shahi has built the Charminar in Hyderabad, and this is a Banjaras folk dance. Okay, it represents our culture, and it is very famous. Our Telangana, the pride of Telangana, the symbol, the Kakatiya Kalatoranam. Okay, so these are the represents these three symbols will represent the culture of Telangana, reflects the culture of our Telangana. So today in this lesson we are going to see the importance of culture of Telangana. So here some characters are there. Hari was, we are going to do the lesson. Hari was sitting in the armchair and was reading the newspaper. Armchair means what? Arm means hands. Okay, so a chair contains arms. We call it armchair. So you see this chair. Okay, this chair has two arms. This is one and this is one. Okay, this is called an armchair. Some chairs they don't have arms. Okay, it will be a normal chair. But Hari was sitting in armchair and is reading the newspaper. So what is the name of that? First person is Hari. The characters in the story in this lesson. The first one is Hari and reading the newspaper. Kiran, his son, observed the emotions appearing on his father's face. Yes, next character name. What is that? Kiran. So Hari is the father of Kiran. So Hari is the father, Kiran is his son. S-O-N son. S-U-N son means what? That's Suri. Okay. So he is a son. So here he is Hari is the father and Kiran is his son. So who is reading the newspaper? Hari is reading the newspaper. And who is listening? Yes, Kiran is listening the newspaper and he is observing and he is hearing carefully what the father is reading. Hari was sitting in the armchair and was reading the newspaper. Kiran, his son, observed the emotions appearing on his father's face. Emotions means what? Nothing but expressions. Okay, the newsreaders will read the news with expression. Okay, suppose there is somewhere sudden accidents will be taken place. The newsreader will read the news. So there will be a huge accident has taken. So many people died. They said like this. So if not, they never read the news. There some accident is gone. So many people they died. So ala chiptara news readers. So in the happy so they will explain they read the news with the expression in the same way. Hari is also reading the newspaper with some emotions. It means what? Some facial expressions he is reading. So Kiran is observing everything and he is asking Hari, okay, what is going on. So there will be some conversation between Hari, the father, and Kiran. Okay, we are going to see what happened there. So, Dad, what is the special in the news? So we don't say daddy. So we say dad. Right? Dad, what's special in the news? So emundi na news lo especially why are you so emotional? Kiran asked. So why are you so emotional? Sometimes we see some people they talk on the mobile. Suddenly they break the mobile. Okay, so nothing but they feel emotion. Okay, sometimes they cry, sometimes they laugh. So the people have with emotions. Okay, today is the red letter day for us. Today is the red letter day. So when we celebrate the red letter day, so these are the very important the words in the lesson. So today we celebrate the red letter day. Why are you so? The Union government has declared Telangana as the 29th state of the country. So Union government, who declared Telangana as the 29th state? Union government. So Union government is nothing but Union government has declared Telangana as the which state now? 29th state. So 29th state. So you can write in the running notes 29th state of our India. So Telangana is the 29th state of our country. So means our India. So it took years for the government to take this decision. Why? Because it is not a normal issue, Telangana issue. So it taken a lot of 100 years. They take this decision. Many people sacrifice their lives for our state. So many people they sacrifice. Sacrifice means what? Yes, they sacrifice their lives. They give their lives for the sake of Telangana. So Srikantachari, we know that in Warangal he poured the petrol on his body and the light in his body himself, means what he fired. So he sacrificed voluntarily for the getting the Telangana state. Okay, so it took years for the government to take this decision. Many people sacrificed their lives. We need to remember their matrices who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. So our Chagal, matrix means what? Our Chagal was sacrificed. We have to remember it. Now we have our own state with our own culture. So we have our own state with the own culture. So we have our own culture. Okay, so we have our own culture, we have our own state. So Dad, please tell me more about it. Kiran requested eagerly. So Kiran is very eagerly is asking his father, Dad, please tell me more about our culture, Telangana. Dear child, the long-lasting dream of our people has become true. Long-lasting dream means what? So much of dream. So long-lasting dream. ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఉన్న డ్రీమ్ కళ ఏమైంది? నిజమైంది. Has become true. The birth of our state has made our vision real. The birth of our state. So తెలంగాణ ఒక పుట్టుక మన కళలను ఏం చేసింది? నిజం చేసింది. Now there are more chances for employment and inclusive development. So చాలా మందికి employment jobs వస్తాయి. Inclusive development. Industries and everything will be developed. Moreover, we can revive our culture, we can revive our language. As I said. సో అన్నిటికన్నా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటి? మన కల్చర్ మనం రివైవ్ అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, రీకాప్చులేట్ మననం చేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ అవర్ కల్చర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఇట్. సో డాడ్, ఈజ్ అవర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ డిఫరెంట్? కిరణ్ ఆస్క్. సో కిరణ్ వాళ్ళ డాడీని అడుగుతున్నారు, డాడీ మన లాంగ్వేజ్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుందా? సో తెలంగాణ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఎస్ దే హ్యావ్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్ స్లాంగ్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద సీఎం కేసీఆర్, సో ఈ టాక్ ఇన్ తెలంగాణ స్లాంగ్. సో ఏందిరా భయ్ అట్లా కావాలనుకుంటున్నాం లైక్ these words he will speak, yes or not? So if you go to Warangal, Karimnagar, Medak, Siddipet, so there are Telangana main areas. Okay, so the people they use Telangana language, so very famous language they use. So once in a Warangal bus stand, I stepped into the bus and the conductor is saying to the person, hey bhaiya medakra. So what is this? I don't understand. Medakra ఏంటా అని నాకు అర్థం కాదు. సో బస్సులో కూర్చున్న తర్వాత చూస్తే దట్ పర్సన్ హ్యాస్ కేమ్ అప్ అండ్ టేకింగ్ సీట్ అండ్ సీట్ అంటే ఆ సీట్లో వచ్చి కూర్చో. మీ దగ్గర అంటే పైకి వచ్చి కూర్చో. సో మన ఖమ్మంలో ఇలా చెప్తారు మన లాంగ్వేజ్. సో అవర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ ద నార్మల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ బై బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ మిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్ర పీపుల్ అండ్ తెలంగాణ. ఓకే, సో తెలంగాణ స్లాంగ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సెడ్ హరి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వేరియంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు డైలెక్ట్. సో తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలంగాణ అని తెలంగాణ లాంగ్వేజ్. బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నాట్ బీన్ గివెన్ ద స్టేటస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లాంగ్వేజ్ అండ్ వాస్ హ్యూమిలియేటెడ్ ఆన్ మెనీ అకేషన్స్. సో తెలంగాణ లాంగ్వేజ్కి అంత ఇప్పటిదాకా అంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అంత ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ రాలేదు. సో అని చెప్తున్నాను. ఈవెన్ అవర్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ గివెన్ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్. తెలంగాణ ఫెస్టివల్స్కి కూడా అంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇప్పుడు దాకా రాలేదు. వై బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ విత్ ఆంధ్ర, సో వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ సెపరేట్ రికగ్నైజేషన్, సెపరేట్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ festivals. Our Telangana language is part of our culture, Hari explained. So Telangana language is part of our culture. So if we see the V6 channel, so there will be a Telangana slang we can observe here. Yes or not? So many Telangana channels are there. If we look at those channels, if we see the channels, if we observe carefully, we can understand the slang, the style, the pronunciation of Telangana. So what are the special festivals in our state? Dad, Kiran asked, what are the special festivals of our state? So we have some special festivals. Telangana special festivals. Special అంటే ఏంటన్నా? స్పెషల్ బస్ చేస్తారు కదా, ఆ రోజు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఎక్కువ ఛార్జీ వసూలు చేస్తారు. సో స్పెషల్ ఫెస్టివల్ మీన్స్ ప్రత్యేకమైన పండుగలు ఏమున్నాయి మనకి తెలంగాణ we are going to see. So meanwhile, so we celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. What is the difference between main festival and regional festival? Main festival means what? So August 15, January 20 is national festivals. Main festival Diwali, Christmas, Holi, these are the main festivals. Okay, Sankranti, all these comes under main festivals. And comes to the regional festivals. Mana region lo jarige, mana Telangana region lo jarige what we want, it comes under regional festivals. So what are the regional festivals? So we celebrate our regional festivals and main festivals. Festivals like Bonalu, Batukamma and Pirula Pandaga reflect our life. So what are the festivals we are going to see? Special festivals: Bonalu, Batukamma, Bonalu, Batukamma and Pirula festival. So these three are the main festivals of our Telangana. So Bonalu, in the next class, next part we will see. So Bonalu is reflects our culture of Telangana. Recently we celebrated Bonalu festivals in Hyderabad. They celebrate the festival. This festival is very grandly. So and Batukamma in the coming days we going to celebrate the Batukamma. In Pirula also in these coming days only we are going to celebrate this Pirula festival. Now we are going to see what are the importance of the festivals one by one. Okay, so we celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Festivals like Bonalu, Batukamma and Pirula Pandaga reflect our life. Said Hari. Meanwhile, Hari saw Lakshmi coming. So who is the other one is coming here? Lakshmi. So inko character vachindi evarna Lakshmi. So who is Lakshmi? Yes, the mother of Kiran. So Lakshmi is the mother of Kiran, the wife of Hari. So Lakshmi is Lakshmi here. So Lakshmi is the mother of Kiran and the wife of Hari. So meanwhile Lakshmi is coming. So at that time Lakshmi was coming. So now let's see your mother's turn. She will let you know about our festivals. Hari said. Okay. So what are the festivals? So what Lakshmi has explained to his Kiran and we are going to see in the next class. So what are the festivals? Main festivals: Bonalu, Batukamma, Pirula festivals. Okay, we will see about these festivals in the next class. So what are the characters, children? Hari. Okay, so Hari and Kiran and Lakshmi. Hari is reading the newspaper. He is explaining to his son Kiran. So Lakshmi joined in the middle. So there will be some conversation. So it is a red letter day. The Union government has declared as 29th state of Telangana. So many people they sacrifice their life. So in the own state, in own culture. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.